When it comes to healthcare, women have unique needs. You deserve mental health support that is tailored to your experiences. If you're a woman who has been diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder or another mental health condition, or you want to improve your well-being, Well Within Coach can help. A women-led team at VA developed Well Within Coach with extensive input from women veterans. The app provides tools to help women heal and thrive through check-ins, guided practices, mental health tracking, and support resources. You do not need to create an account to use Well Within Coach, and no personal data is ever collected or shared. Let's explore the main features of the app. The first time you open the app, you will be guided through a 5-step questionnaire. You'll get personalized activity recommendations based on your preferences to best fit your needs and goals. First, select your preferred background color, followed by 3 wellness topics that would be most useful to you. Next, select up to 3 health items to track to find patterns and check progress. If you do not want to choose an option, select I don't want to track any of these things at the bottom of the screen. You can always update your choices later. Lastly, select your main goal for using the app and click Start. From the app's homepage, you can complete a daily check-in by selecting the number that reflects how you're feeling that day, ranging from 1, very bad, to 5, excellent. If you're having a hard day, you can select which emotion is bothering you to receive personalized insights to improve your mood. You'll then be offered a helpful action based on your response, things like change my perspective or give me something to try. Finally, you'll rate how you're feeling about your chosen wellness topics and jot down any notes you'd like to include about how you are feeling. To finish the check-in, select Submit at the bottom of the screen. Click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner to view your check-in history, set reminders, manage your data, and edit your app personalization. Back on the home page, click the Check-in Completed box for your insights for that day. You can also find customized activity recommendations based on your preferences under Suggested for You, or answer the question of the day to receive another personalized activity recommendation. Click Try in the lower menu bar for exercises that can help you with sleep, connection, self-love, and more. You can filter for a specific type of exercise by selecting a category at the top. When you find an activity you enjoy, tap the heart icon in the top right corner to add the tool to your favorites. Access your favorites at any time by selecting the heart in the top right corner. Select Track on the lower menu bar to view your options for tracking your health and well-being. Here you can take short assessments on things like mental health and well-being, pregnancy and postpartum health, perimenopause and menopause, mind-body connections, and caregiving and relationships. Click on each one for an overview of the assessment, including the number of questions and estimated time to complete. You can also set reminders to check in each day and take an assessment by clicking on the clock icon in the upper right corner, or export the data from an assessment to share with a loved one or healthcare provider by clicking the export arrow. Check out the Explore section for collections of readings and suggested activities curated to your interests. You can start with The Essentials to explore the topics you've selected when you first personalize the app, or you can view all to explore any topic. Click on Support to find words of encouragement from other women veterans, find direct links to crisis resources, and access support for specific situations, like help finding healthcare, staying safe in relationships, or ways to connect with other veterans. If you have questions about women's mental health and well-being, or any of the topics covered in Well Within Coach, visit the Learn library by clicking the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. You can read about topics like daily joy, sexual health, or challenges and reproductive mental health with information written by experts in psychology and women's health. Women deserve thoughtful and informed mental health support. Well Within Coach can help. You can use this app on your own or as an extra resource if you are working with a healthcare provider. Download the app or learn more by visiting www.ptsd.va.gov/mobile. All VA apps are free, secure, and easy to use. Download Well Within Coach today.